Alright, so this is Michael Soapster, and Swaggerific is about to break his neck. Okay?
Alright, count me down.
5, 4, 3, break your neck. 2, 1. Break them necks. Break them necks. Break them necks. Break that neck. Break that neck, bro. Okay. Okay. Didn't break your neck. Not bad. Didn't hit that car. Not bad. I'm impressed, actually. I'm impressed.
Alright, you got to see Michael's move. Senior Soapster.
Swag.
Go ahead.
I don't like it. We go.
Oh, sir. Oh, sir. What do you like? For the record, he sucks.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, he's kind of good, but okay.
Straight hate.
Alright,
You want to do something else? Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. And not quite landing the money hops. Now what? Oh, that was pretty good.
I know.
Didn't quite land those bunny hops at the end there, but okay.
But I can do my bunny hops better than you, fool.
No. Incorrect. Okay.
Wait a second. Bro, watch this. I'm doing. Oh, this thing.
Can you really not do that? Good job. Get over it.
Ow, that hurt.
I could do it quicker.
Apparently he could do it quicker, so everybody watch this. Watch him break his butt. Oh, he did it quicker than me. So, dude got skills now.
Alright, bro.
So that's a wrap. And, bro, what's that? What's that?
He seems to have stepped into fecal matter now.
I ain't stepping it. Bro, that was nasty.
Alright.
Alright.